Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up FOMO app and find 100x Memecoins. And with this strategy I'm going to share with you guys, I was able to turn $1,000 into $30,000 in under 1 month. And just in the last 24 hours I am up $2,000 profit. So make sure you stick around and watch the entire video so you don't miss a thing. So the first step, guys, is that you're going to want to go ahead and sign up to FOMO app, but don't do it without using the link down in the comments below, or you can go to FOMObonus.com and type that in on your iOS or Android device. You will then see a screen pop up like this. Just go ahead and copy that code that says Signal Sauce, because once you sign up, you're going to paste that in on the FOMO app. Just paste in the code exactly like this. Make sure you put it in before you fully sign up, because this is the only chance you will get to be able to put it in. So put in Signal Sauce, and you will be able to save a ton of money by not having to pay those fees while trading. Once you sign up, it will ask you to make a username like this, so go ahead and do that. So guys, you can see I made a brand new account, but my balance right now is $0. But I will top up by clicking the deposit button, and you can use credit card, Apple Pay, and other methods as a way to top up easily. Anyways guys, it's time to start making money. So what you're going to want to do is click the home icon, and on the home page of FOMO, go ahead and click the trending button, then go ahead and look through the trending coins. I clicked on this one, and as you can see, we can view all the top holders. And if you click on their profile picture, you can actually see their entire profile and what trades or positions they have opened. You can find some profitable traders like this profile I found called Frank, and in the last 30 days you can see he's up $500,000 profit, which is absolutely insane. And if you would have been following him, you'd essentially be able to copy every trade he has made in those last 30 days. What you should do is follow the guy by tapping the follow button like I did here. Also make sure notifications are on, so you can see every time he places a trade. Anyways, let's go ahead and try copy trading. So I see this coin pumping right now from one of the profiles I follow. So I'm going to go ahead now and buy $25 worth of the coin, and let's go ahead and see if we can make some money. So after holding for a few hours, you can see my $25 turned into $340. So I made like $320 profit. So guys, don't miss out on this easy way to get the bonus on FOMO app. Sign up now at FOMObonus.com. Also make sure to follow my profile as well on FOMO. Just type in Signal Sauce and follow my account.